Alright, so what I have here today is a non-Russian capture. It is a bringback Kar98k. It's a Kriegsmodel, but it has a factory mount for the ZF41. The ZF41 on it is currently reproduction. You'll see this later on. So I got a little thing about how to mount it. It's sighted in for 100 meters, which is what I'm shooting at here. The first target is going to be, I'm doing a grouping test, so the first target's a circular visicolor, and then the other one is a silhouette target. I'm shooting 196 grain PPU, full metal jackets, and loading the strip. Going to go center of mass on the silhouette. Let's take a look. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.